If you are new, hit the subscribe button right now. Also hit the notification button. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So today I am doing Sunber's deep wave hair or deep curly hair. And y'all are actually lucky because I just finished making this wig like literally 5 minutes ago. I like to usually wait a little bit before I show y'all. Like I'll usually like wear it for like, I take a forever to make my wig. So I like make it, let it sit around. I don't put combs in it yet. But this time I actually finished my wig and I'm actually wearing it. It's like 1 in the morning. But before I set my makeup off, I was like, let me go ahead and do this video. So anyway, I'm doing Sunber's hair, and this is the box that came in right here. So the packaging is nice. So cute. And this is a 16, 18, and 20 inch, and I believe it's a 14-inch closure. And it was about $137. I'll have the information down below. Of course, I got it from Amazon.com, and Prime I got it in 2 days, which I love. If you don't have Prime, make sure you get it. But anyway, this hair is so soft. Like, I usually dye my hair jet black before I even put it in my head, but I didn't even bother to do it this time. But it's so soft, and I actually like the color. It's pretty dark without me dyeing it. So pretty. So for the closure is real, like really nice. I didn't pluck it or anything. All I did was apply the some makeup on the closure, and it's not even glued down or anything. It's just sitting on my head. This is how it looks. So the closure is really nice. And I didn't even use all the hair. I still have some hair right here. This is the 16 inch. I still have like half a bundle. I like my hair full, so I'm actually surprised I didn't use it. But I wish I can, like, this is the softest deep wave hair I've ever had, I think. I really want y'all to see the texture. So nice. And it's a cute length. I was scared it's going to be too short, but I actually really like the length. I don't know if you can see because I got on the black shirt, but here it is. So cute. But I don't have any negative things to say about it. Like, it doesn't shed. And I've cut it multiple times, like, while I was doing this because I was trying to get it how I wanted it. And it doesn't shed. It's extremely soft. And this curl pattern is like a loose. It's not too loose, but it's not too tight. And it's like the perfect curl. So, I'm just really feeling how soft it is. But yeah, so pretty. I only put one comb in the front. And this closure is so good. I'm going to show y'all some more pieces of it. See it part so easily. I'm actually curious to see how this hair looks wet. I haven't even wet it yet, so let's see how it looks wet. Oh yeah, this is how it came. The packaging came in like individual packages like this, and it has like the number on it. It's 18 inches, like the length on it. So yeah, packaging, you can tell what you got. All right. Alright, so this is how it looks wet. I didn't like soak it. I just wet it a little bit. Well, I wet it like a lot, but not like too much. So pretty. Look at the pattern. So this pretty much sums up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'll talk to you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.